Good morning friends. Today I am making cheese sandwich roll. So to start cheese sandwich roll, the ingredients are salt, chaat masala, chili powder, cucumber, it's grinded, carrots grinded, and sauce, cheese slice, spatula, and white sliced bread. To start, we will cut it, the borders. Now we will make the bread thin. Now bread is thin, see? Now we will spread some sauce on that. Any sauce you can take. I have take the ketchup one. Okay. Now we will put cheese slice on that. Cheese slice. Now we will sprinkle some chaat masala, salt, and if you need then put chili powder. Now we will put some cucumber here and carrot. Now we will roll it tightly, okay? Tightly. We have rolled it tightly. Now I have this decoration plate, so I will decorate it here. We will put a little bit of sauce here. And I have take this leaf. You can take any leaf. So our sandwich roll is ready. You can see here, see. Okay. Good morning friends. Our second recipe is tropical smoothie. For tropical smoothie, the ingredients are apple, half apple, sugar, fresh chilled pineapple, and a mango. It's also cutted, and this chilled cup of milk. Now we will put it in grinder. First take apple, sugar, and sugar. Then you can take your water, little bit. Tropical smoothie is ready. Little bit I have this one, so putting it. See, smoothie is ready. You can see. Our both healthy dishes are ready. Sandwich roll and tropical smoothie.